right, it looks like we're getting ready here. Let's see. All right, I think we might be good to go. It looks like we are good to go. Let me come over here. Hopefully our camera is working. Come along with me. Welcome here to our house and our world premiere of our Ocean Edition, a stop motion father and daughter project. Let me just get the camera here. It's a little one or two or three person show, but here, let me see, adjusting it. All right. Well, we're going to start out here with our Ocean Edition, and we're going to introduce our family members. They're all going to come in, and we're going to say hi to them. And we're really excited for the world premiere of Ocean Edition. Hopefully, you guys can all hear us. Hopefully, everything is copacetic. I'll check my audio here in a minute. Maybe I'll do that. You guys get cozy. You guys get a pillow. You guys get the things you need. I'm going to just double check over here. Looks like, of course, we're waiting to make sure our technology is working. And I think we are mostly good to go, hopefully, out there. And so, again, thank you very much for joining us. It is, I believe, Wednesday, April 8th, and we are in day 26 of being in our house here together, and we're getting a little creative. And so, without further ado, let me get my first special guest. I would like for Tucker. Come on down, Tucker. Here is Tucker, and he's dressed very handsomely tonight. Let me tilt my camera a little bit, buddy. You're looking good. See yourself there. How you doing, Tucker?
Good.
Are you excited for tonight's movie?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
To watch the movie.
To watch the movie? Yeah. Are you ready? I bet you Tucker is probably most excited about snacks. What snack are you excited to eat? Popcorn. All right, Tucker, get your seat, buddy. Get your seat. Get your snacks. All right, the next kid we have up is Russell. Come on down, Russell, on the red carpet. Russell's looking good tonight. He's a little taller. Let's get the camera up a little more. And Russell, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good.
You have a new look. Did you do your hair or something this evening?
No.
No? And so what are you excited about seeing this movie?
I'm excited about seeing the producers.
Yeah, you're excited to meet the producer. Who is the producer of this movie? Do you know? Who? Me and who else?
Another girl named Sunny.
A girl named Sunny. Yeah, your sister. Okay, all right. Thank you very much for joining us. We have one more brother, and come on in, JMO. Come on down, Jameson. Oops, watch out. Red carpet traffic. Here we go. Jameson, how are you doing?
Good.
I heard you were the costume designer for the movie.
Oh yeah.
What did you do to help with the movie?
I did the octopus.
You did the octopus. You drew that by yourself. That was all your idea. Did you help color?
Yep.
What did you help color?
The fish.
You helped color the fish, huh? And do you have a favorite fish that you colored?
The pattern redfish.
Oh, the pattern redfish. And you can see behind us, Jameson, that is our set, right, Jameson? Maybe we'll take a look at that in a second, okay? Thanks for joining us, buddy. High five. All right, up next here we have Mrs. Jenny Cogswell. She's a very proud mom and wife of the producers and editors and filmographers. Come on down, Mrs. Cogswell. Come on up. How are you doing this evening?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, thank you for joining us. Thanks for taking the time. I know there's a lot going on.
Yes, well, I wouldn't miss it for the world.
All right, and so we're really excited. And what are you most excited about tonight?
I'm just really excited to watch it together as a family in our movie room.
In our movie room.
Yeah.
Yes, we are ready. We are ready to go. It was a really good cleanup job. Anything else out there to say to any of the people watching?
Well, that I hope you all enjoy it too. Thanks for joining us. I know it was a lot of hard work, and we're so happy to be able to share it with the whole world.
And then what dress are you wearing tonight? What is it Versace? Is it Gucci?
Oh,
All the people out there want to know.
it's from ModCloth.
ModCloth. All right. Shout out to ModCloth. All right. And up next, we have our other very, very special co-writer, co-producer, co-editor here. Come on down. All right. Welcome. You can stand a little bit more up here. Over here, maybe a little bit more right there. That's a little better. And so I can, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good.
Tell us your name
Sunrise.
and what do you do?
Um, for the movie?
Well, just what do you do in life? What's your purpose?
Um, helping people.
Helping people. Yeah. Yeah. What was your favorite part about working on this project?
That we got to be really creative with how we made the movie and recorded it.
Well, let's since we're on the set here live, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. Hopefully I can angle this. Normally I have my camera person over there. Can you tell us about this, Sunrise? Can you tell us about a little bit? Can you move, Tucker? Yeah. Can you move, please? All right, tell us about this, Sunrise.
So this is a set that we used. It was stop motion. So we have our seaweed,
Our sand here,
our
treasure box.
and the fish that Juno designed.
And so how many pictures do you think we took?
We took like 300.
About 300 pictures. And how long do you think the whole project, at least making the set, how long do you think that took?
Like
2 hours. You want to scooch down a little bit so we can see you? About 2 hours to make the set with JMO's help and me. And then how long did it take to do the moving of the seaweed, right? You have to move the seaweed. We had some shells here, moving the fish.
maybe like an hour.
And so shout out, by the way, this is the Okio Labs camera. We have a special announcement from them tonight. So if you're watching, stay tuned. And so we got this Okio Labs camera. It hooks up right to the Chrome browser, and you just do it all through the browser. And how did you feel about the final product?
It was pretty good.
You want to show us, and this is actually, if you look up here, this is how we did the waves, right? We just pulled it across and each of the fish moved out, and this is where the octopus lived. And if you see in some bubbles, and they're buttons. And so without that, oh, and here's our star. Say hello, star.
Hi.
Say hello, star.
Hi.
And he doesn't have a name. His name is the Friendly Octopus. Anything to say, Friendly Octopus?
No.
No. He's a little shy. He's probably going to go back and hide in his little treasure box. And so if we could Cogswell family members, if you could help me in a second here, turn off the lights. Now we're going to take a look here. You can see we got our setup here over here. Behind me, we have some really big celebrities here tonight. Hold on, I'll just do this. I got one more light on. If we can have one light on. So we got some big celebrities with us tonight. You can see in the back there is Violet. Hi guys, I'm Violet, the puppet in the back. I think you got Violet's dog over here. You got a few puppets. Oh, we got Hobie. Hobie is really big in the Cogswell family. Over here, we got some Sunrise. We got Kookaburra. And so they are all very much excited to see the movie as we begin. And so without further ado, we're going to do our best here to transition over to our other video here. Okay, as we're doing this, trying to be as fancy as we can here. And you know what happens sometimes when you do that is the technology just doesn't work. And so let's see if we can do this correctly. All right. And I think that we are almost ready. We are almost ready. We're just waiting. And if you can think about some nice movie. Welcome to the movie. Please turn off your cell phone. Silence it. Now's a great time to make sure you have everything you need. And so here we go. Let's see here. We're going to put our camera over here. So hopefully you're comfortable again. Please silence your cell phones. All right. Okay, here we go.
One day in the ocean, two fish families were swimming along. One fish family was red and the other fish family was green.
Let's try that one more
They
time.
said
here.
hello. One day in the ocean, two fish families were swimming along. One fish family was red and the other fish family was green.
Hello.
They said hello as they swam past.
Oh
Before they knew it, they were all mixed up. A friendly octopus spotted the problem.
no! I have an idea. Make a group according to color. Red on the left, green on the right. Now let's count to make sure everyone is here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green fish. The octopus wanted to make sure everyone was here.
Now let's count. There should be 10 in all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fish in all.
Great. Now we know we're all here. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Now that all the fish were gone, the octopus was feeling a little blue and decided he should count his treasure.
I'm gonna count my treasure.
Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of treasure.
All done. Time to go home.
All of a sudden, the fish came swimming back through. They wanted to see their friend.
My friends are back. Yay. I'll go join them.
He wanted to be their +1. And 1 + 10 is 11.
Bye-bye.
The end.
Right. Bravo. By the way, if you missed any of that, you will be able to catch it all again later. All right. So again, this, if you missed that, I know it's a pretty short little film there, but it will be on YouTube for available for watching. And so we have hopefully some exciting news. Can I get my other producer over here? We have some very exciting news. So first of all, let's get a few of our over here. Can I get Jameson? You want to come up over here, please? A costume designer, could you come up over here? So Jameson, what did you think? What did you think of your costumes?
Good.
Did they come out the way you wanted them to?
Uh-huh.
And you said one. Which fish was you? Did you say was your favorite? Which ones? Can you hold them up for us for the camera? Ooh, those two guys were your favorite. Awesome. Great job. Anything to say? What was your favorite part of the film? Come here. Come over here.
When the friendly octopus came.
When the friendly octopus came? Well, thank you. All right. Tucker, come on down, Tucker. Come on in. Come over here, buddy. All right, Tucker. What do you think was the favorite part of the film? You don't know? No? Which fish did you like the most, or what thing did you like the most in the stop motion?
The green fish.
The green fish, like just the green fish in general, or all the green fish?
This one.
That green fish, the googly eyes, right? Ooh, I'm a green fish. I didn't do the voices of the fish, as you can see. All right. Anything else to say, Tucker? All right, and then we have Russell. Come on down, Russell. Russell, what did you think?
My favorite part of the movie was the treasure part, and
The treasure part?
my favorite prop was the treasure.
Your favorite prop was the treasure box. Okay, thank you. Anything else to add? All right, Mom, what do you think, Mom? Yeah, what did you think of the film?
I love the film. I love stories about friendship, and I love stories about friendship, and I love how the fish came back to to meet up with their octopus friend, and then they took him with them. So
Yeah, and you did some of the music, I guess, for the intro and the outro. Some of the music.
yes, I did.
And what instrument did you play with?
I I played the ukulele or the ukulele.
Very nice. Thank you. You're probably going to win like an Oscar or an Emmy for that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, great job. Over here, why don't you come over here? We have somebody else that's going to be. I'm going to turn the mic over to our other interviewer, your other producer. We have another guest that's going to visit us, right?
It's our guest Violet.
I'm Violet. How are you all doing? And what did you think of the movie? I just love that octopus. He is so, amazing. The friendly octopus, big #1 fan. Oh my gosh. Can I get your autograph, please? Please, autograph.
Sure.
Selfie, let's snap a selfie. Oh, great picture. One more picture. One more picture. Oh man, and how do you felt like it went over there, Miss Sunrise? How did it go?
It went really well. We worked really hard, and I think it was really good.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part is when you said bye.
Bye at the end, or
Yeah.
bye when the fish was swimming away the first time?
When you said bye at the end.
Oh yes, I
Mhm.
love that too. And then the big bubbles, they floated up at the end. That was great.
That was.
Anything else to add?
Is there anything else you'd like to
It
add?
was great job. Oh, great job. High five.
High five.
All right.
Oh man, just love her. You got to ask me some questions now, right?
Okay.
What do you think?
What do you think was the favorite part of the film?
My favorite part, this is the cheesy dad answer. Excuse me, please, Hobie and JMO. My favorite part of the film was getting to do with my daughter. Spending a lot of time. Yeah, we had our ups and we had our downs, but we made it through, right?
Yeah.
Good job. And hopefully those of you that are watching out there, hopefully you had some fun this evening. We certainly had some fun this evening. Again, you can see when life gives you, I guess, lemons, we make lemonade, and we do our best to think about, those that need our thoughts and our blessings and our prayers. And so with that, we're going to sign off over here, and hope you all enjoyed the bye. Everybody say bye. Say thanks for joining us. Bye. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Oh, we forgot. No, we did forget. Oh, goodness. We forgot. Almost forgot about the exciting news. It's okay. We're still live here. We're still live. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Almost forgot. We got so excited. We have some exciting news. Thank you. Okay. You see, what is this camera, Sunny?
So this is the Okio Cam.
This is the Okio Cam. And so we've been sharing some of the stuff with them, and they're really awesome right now. Actually, they're currently not available. They are back ordered in production, but they're going to be out soon. And we said, hey, we got some teachers out there that really like this product. Do you think you could, share the love? And they said, we would love to share the love. And so tomorrow, be on the lookout for the tweet of this video with the rules. One of the rules is retweeting, and the other rule is you must follow the Okio Labs, and you could win one of 2 cameras. And so details to come. Thanks for reminding that. It's awesome. It works with Chrome. It works with a Chromebook. It works with a Mac. And it's so cool. And so it definitely revolutionizes, I think, this home teaching. And now, really, with that, I think good thing. Good job, Sunny. Everybody say bye. Bye. For real this time. Bye.